my love. Promise. I'll beat my chest. See you soon.
I'll take you for your words.
Okay, baby.
Maybe I should do away with this idea. Maybe I should give him a second chance. Maybe he has truly repented. No. It is in them to cheat. He will still go back to it again. It's better I get my freedom once and for all.
Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do it. I'm not a murderer. I haven't been a witness. I'm not a murderer, my love. Because you know I couldn't have wanted to kill you. Please, I'm so sorry.
My in-law. What do you have to say? I have not to say. As it stands right now, everything is in your hands.
Oh, yes, exactly. Onyawa. Aka ode.
Ini. Ini, first of all, I want to start by thanking you for saving my life. Because without what you did, I would have been in the morgue right now. But this is what you're going to do for now. Go in, pack your things, and go back to you. It doesn't mean that I'm giving up on you, all right? I am going to support whatever business you choose to do. Even if you want to learn trade, I got you. Okay, but for now, go back to you. I have your account details. I'll forward you some money, and you expect my call with time. Ini, just like I said, I am not giving up on you. Okay? Go back to Uyo for now. We will keep talking.
Mbo, I beg you in God's name, forgive my madam. This thing will happen now, you follow Kosamo.
Get out. Get out!
Madam, I beg. God knows I don't be my blood to scatter your marriage. I beg, forgive me.
My in-laws. Now this is what I want you people to do. Go with your sister. Alright? You will hear from me.
You must be good. Please. I must please. I must be good. Please, I'm begging in the name of God, I'm sorry. I am so sorry. I must be good. Please, I must. Please, I must.
Let go of my leg.
I must beg you.
Let go of my leg.
I didn't mean to. I must be good.
Informer, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh, I didn't do it.
Come on, get up. Get up.
It's alright.
It's alright.
Go and pack your things. It is not the end of the world.
Please, I'm
It's okay. It's okay. We are with you. Family is with you. Come and pack your things. Let's go. Let's go. Come and bring your things. Let's go to your room. Come. Don't worry.
If I talk to you, you will think I am weak. If I call your number, I'm not sure you will answer. But I'm dying inside for my foolish pride. I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know. Since we've been apart, this house is not the home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, two wrongs won't make a right. And I miss you so, but I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't want you to know that I miss you. I don't want it to show. I miss you. I don't want you to know. I miss you. You would think I am weak. I miss you. So I don't want you to know. I miss you. Please don't look at me. I miss you. 'Cause if you look, you will see.
There's no need.
I miss you. And I don't want it to show. I miss you. And I don't want you to know.
Any day that woman knocks on this gate and you open it, you go with her.
Okay, sir.
I don't want to see her inside this house again.
Okay, sir.
What are you doing here?
Madam, I beg you. I use God name beg you, madam. No fix for me. I beg. I don't mean to pursue you come up for your marriage. Madam, I did for this house. I know all the heartbreak and pain we all carry do you go through. I know say now how can I make you do that thing what you do? But madam, I beg you. Forgive me, I beg, madam, forgive me. Don't vex with me, I beg.
It's okay, stand up. Stand up. I want to say thank you to you, Ini. You did me a great favor. If you hadn't stopped my husband from eating that food, I would have been a murderer. I would have killed my own husband. But no. You helped me. And heaven bear me witness, I wouldn't have forgiven myself if I had done it. I owe you a lot too. Thank you. Thank you. It's okay, you can go.
Thank you. You can go now. Thank you. You can go.
Thank you.
You can leave now.
Go well.
Thank you.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Ifoma, let us go.
Don't worry.
Forget about Amos.
You swear.
And I ask again, what did she do? What did she commit that would make my God-fearing in-law, angel in form of a man, to send her packing?
Your daughter is here. Ask her.
Ifoma, what did you do? Did your husband catch you with another man? Then what could lead to this shame?
Oh, your daughter, she wanted to kill her husband.
Wanted to do what?
She wanted to poison the food of her husband. She never knew that the house help was watching her.
Ifoma. Huh? Is that how you want to pay him for saving your life several years ago? Ifoma, I am asking you. Ifoma! Mama. Huh?
Mama, excuse me.
Oh, come see
Excuse me. Uncle, I'm coming.
Hey! Oh, come see Huh?
Uncle, please welcome me.
Come. Me, Mbia. Poison.
Say anything there because of Uncle Nadoze. We were all there. We heard everything he said. Even her husband didn't utter any word. He kept mute, which means Ifoma was right.
Mbano, what happened? What really happened?
Mama, our in-law, Amos, has changed. Yes, he carries different women. He keeps late night. He doesn't eat my sister's food. Even the housemaid. Mama, the housemaid confirmed that my sister, your daughter, cries day and night. He even matched her. Can you imagine that idiot? Raise his hand to beat my sister.
Chineke. Are you for me?
Yes, Mama.
Mama.
Mama, see, Mama, I know that what Ifoma did was wrong. For her to have the thought of poisoning her husband, that's unfair. But Mama, think of it, it's not her fault. She was lured into it by her friend. And to crown it all, it was the sudden change of her husband's character. Mama, so we shouldn't be blaming her anymore. Mama, see, the reason I called you here is to tell you that we should stop blaming Ifoma, so that she won't feel guilty. By the time she feels guilty, she might take her life. Mama, I can't lose my sister. I can't lose her.
It's alright. Anugo. It's okay. Ifoma is my child. She's my daughter.
Mama, let's go.
Anugo. Okay, it's okay. Oh yeah, stand up. Let's go inside. Bring your bags. Kulia. Let's go.
Let me carry the bags.
Let me help you.
Leave it. Uncle, what did you tell her?
Tell who?
Your mother. Nothing, no. Nothing.
Oh,
Nothing.
nothing.
Yes, nothing.
Nothing?
Uncle,
Odimhbr.
nothing.
It's okay. I will be on my way. Ndode, how many times did I call you?
Uncle.
I called you 3 times. I noticed how your countenance changed the moment your sister finished her own story. But remember, Ndode, I have called you 3 times.
Uncle.
No excuse justifies one killing another person. Mother is the mother of all crimes. Aro na kaibia anam.
Uncle, up Macau. Up Macau, Ejingaka.
What is going on? Why is this girl busy in my calls? Are you sure this girl has not messed up everything?
How could someone be so mean to his wife? Eh?
But instead of trying to kill him, she should have left the house.
Hey, Mama, that was what Ifma was trying to do before her friends Nali.
Pick your gun now. Who is it?
I don't want to take the call.
It's your husband.
Oh. My friend.
Shall we go? If she calls again, pick it and give me the phone. Give me the phone.
Brother, please. No. It's not necessary. Don't worry. No. Something is definitely wrong. She's putting my calls on number busy. I must get to the root of this. I don't want issues at all. Mbaba. I must get to the root of this.
Hey! Yeah? Is this all I've been going on? And we didn't know about it?
My brother, I'm still in shock.
Our members will be dying one after the other. No inquiries to know or to find out why they're dying that way.
It's unbelievable.
Hi! And they're all dying the same way.
Same way now.
They slept and never woke up. This is crazy. That alone would have given us, would have triggered us to go in search of why they're dying that way.
It's a good thing we know now.
I think the best thing we'll do, let me tell you, we have to go and lock all of them up. All of them, including Achalugo, from A to Z.
For what?
They're all murderers.
What evidence do you have? You want to take legal action on a mess story my wife told me. What if she denies you in court?
So are you saying that we should keep quiet?
No, it's not what I'm saying. Actually, these women have beaten us already. There is no way you can convict them of murder. No, think of it now. No autopsy was taken. Their husbands have been long time buried. Even the dumbest, the most muggle lawyer will win you in court. So the best thing right now is for us to call a meeting, sit down, and change our law to favor most of our members that are still alive. Not to fight them. My wife will simply tell me, when did we have that discussion?
I think you're right. Okay, let me tell you what we'll do. If any of our members' wife dies, we'll give that our member 25 million for condolence. He can use the money to do whatever he wants to use it for. He can use the money to do whatever he wants to use it for. But if it's the other way around, or maybe our members dies, we will give the wife or the family members, will give them 100,000 or 50,000.
You have a point. And we can sponsor the burial.
Yeah.
And give our member a befitting burial.
Correct.
Then leaving the wife with little or nothing.
So what I will do, I will call the secretary. I'll tell the secretary to, arrange for the meeting.
Let's sign it. Sign it into bill.
What nonsense! That will help you. Do something now.
I'm fine. This one is enough for me.
That one is not enough. You want to drink or drink something here. You need to enjoy yourself. Come, this one is not your wife will be angry. Your wife is not around though. And you know you're not going home this night. I'm going to, make you happy.
No. I'm not interested.
Don't worry, when the time comes, you know. Enjoy yourself. Drink, eat, enjoy. It's very good, huh? Enjoy yourself.
Hey, how are you?
I'm fine.
My man. What is your name?
I'm Sugar.
Your Sugar?
I'm Juicy.
Hey, Sugar Juicy. Juicy Sugar. Eh? It's all right. It's all right. You'll see now. Afghan, you have a berry. You see the berry? Yes. No. Couldn't have been Ofuma. My man. Then I bought go. Because when you catch a bamboo be in front, the second. We have everything. That is why they call me Akokalesia. If you want chicken, we'll bring chicken for you people, and then point and kill. A point here, so you guys will have fun. I am Sugar Daddy 1. This is Sugar Daddy 2. One now. You need to be happy. Enjoy yourself. Yeah. Leave that in. Look at what you're saying. Leave that in. Let me tell you, you're doing all this nonsense. So if you die, they will just, our people now will give your wife 25 million. One year, could you go? You don't have to die. Eat something. Enjoy yourself.
Daddy, what's the problem? You don't seem to be happy.
If you go.
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I said I'm fine. I'm okay.
If you say so.
Let me tell you, only open maybe Anybody that spoils it will pay us.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me.
I have been alone in the room. Let's go upstairs. What are you doing here all alone?
Please, Nne, just go upstairs. I'm not sleeping here. I'm going home.
I came here for you now. How can you just leave me and go just like that? Not now that my whole body is on fire.
No, you gotta look for when to quench it now. Don't touch me.
You're the one that will quench it for me. Who else? That's why I'm here and I'm horny. I'm feeling so horny.
You know, honey. I'm fine.
Fine. You're fine, then let's go upstairs.
Leave me now. Go and leave.
I came here for you. You can't just leave me like that. Okay, let's go. Okay? Let's go. Let's go. Please, now.
Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. Come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Forgive and forget. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go. The time where I say make you back and go. Now vex, I dey vex, oh. As you come leave our house, now me dey suffer, amo. The bed they come there too biggie. The house will come there too lonely. It be like say I want crazy. I'm not ashamed to beg, oh. Baby, come back, and forget, oh. Come back, oh. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. Make everything it be my fault, oh. I hurt you, you hurt me. My mistake, oh. Nobody lose, nobody win. I don't agree, now you win. Come back, make we dey manage love, they go. Baby, forgive and forget, oh. Make everything we bite for 90 be mosquito. I hurt you, you hurt me. Nobody lose, nobody win. I beg you, come back house, oh. Make we dey manage love, they go.
Don't wake me up. This kid did not wake me up. Okay. That's why she collected her money last night. Hi! Jomwa. Jomwa.
Excuse me, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Please do not be offended, sir. The girls in your room made extra orders of 6 bottles of medium stout and extra plates of pepper soup while you were asleep.
These girls are useless. Yeah? These girls are useless. Why are they spending money like... Wait.
You said 6 bottles of what?
6 bottles of medium stout, 2 plates of pepper soup, actually. This is the receipt.
So how much is it?
6,000 naira, sir.
So what do I do now? Because I don't have my ATM here. I don't have any money here with me again. So what do we do?
I don't know. You should be the one to tell us, sir.
Okay, what we'll do, let's leave it tomorrow evening. I'll still come back to this place tomorrow evening so that I'll not pay you people the money.
I'm so sorry, sir, but we do not operate like that here.
But I do come here all the time now.
We don't work like that. I'm so sorry.
So what do you want me to do now? Eh? Let me go and check in my car and see if there's any money in my car.
Okay, good. Please follow him.
Why are you following me now? Eh? What is your problem? I've told you people to relax. In the evening, I'll give you money. And you're in a follow me. What is it? What is your problem?
I'm sorry, sir. I can't go against the rule of the
What kind of nonsense rules? What stupid rules are you talking about? Eh?
Why is he calling me? I hope all is well. Akukalia, good morning.
Nwunye Akukalia, good morning. Send Chidindo to Greenleaf Hotel. Send him to bring my ATM. At the I dropped the cupboard there. Let him bring it immediately. I'm waiting for him here.
Okuma kona get Gogi, right? Okwa man, you're looking for an ATM card. He set a logo edge, right? Akukalia.
Why you call it nonsense? Yeah, this boy, give this boy my ATM to bring for me in a query. Don't waste time, Mo.
Who knows what really went wrong?
If you following me up and down, eh?
Sorry, sir. It's not my fault, sir.
No, it's my fault. Do you know how much I've been spending in this hotel?
I know, sir.
Eh? Every time I come here, I'll squander money.
Sir, it's just that I don't want to lose my job.
You don't want to lose your job. If you lose your job, I give you a job. Nonsense.
Children, Biko, take this ATM. Go to Greenleaf Hotel. Give this to your guy. Take this. Use it at Eto Okada.
Madam, where the hotel is?
Go outside, get keke. Tell them to take you to Greenleaf Hotel. When you get there, look for your gas car.
Okay, madam, at the wash car. If I wash and finish, I will go.
No. Leave everything you're doing and go now. Now. Go and give it to him.
Okay.
can't continue like this. I need to take a step. I need to take an action. Nani, there's something I want you to do for me.
Anything for your mama.
You remember the woman you slept with the last time?
Yes.
I want you to go to her house. I'll give you the house address.
Okay.
I've been trying to reach her for 2 days, and she hasn't been picking my calls. Something fishy is going down. So you will go to the house. You'll tell the security to call her.
Okay.
And when he calls her, let her know that I have been calling her and she isn't answering her calls. If there is any development of any sort, the security man will tell you.
Okay. What about if her husband sees me?
Nah. He goes to work very early. You'll go there at 11 a.m.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright. Let me check out what I'm doing outside. Good day, young man. I'm here to see your madam, Madam Ifoma.
You're here to see my madam?
Yes.
Who are you?
My madam is her friend. She sent me to come and deliver a message to her.
To deliver a message? Yeah. Call your mother and let your mother call her phone.
And that's the problem. She has been calling her and she's not picking her call. So she asked me to come and deliver the message.
Okay. Madam not come up for you.
You see?
Tell you.
Like seriously?
I cannot push her come out since. Stay.
You mean it's the way you talk?
I didn't tell you now. As I don't tell you now, just go back. You tell your mother the same thing. Yeah.
No problem. Do us. How is the work? I hope you are cooking.
We thank God.
Right. Take care.
Alright, bye-bye.
So, what's up?
There's trouble.
Trouble? What happened?
Yeah, I went there. I saw the kid man.
Okay.
He told me that the husband sent her packing. She doesn't live there anymore.
The husband sent her packing? Shit! Just ordinary put something into his food. She has been caught? She was caught?
She messed up big time.
She messed up big time! Hey! Let her not put us into trouble. Let her not put me into trouble. Where's my phone? This girl will not put me into trouble. Let her not just spill. Let her not just say a word. She's not even picking my calls. Nani, you know what? Take this number, try it on your phone.
Okay.
Dial it on your phone right now. Call her. If she picks, just give me the phone.
If I talk to you, you will think I am weak. If I call your number, I'm not sure you will answer. But I'm dying inside for my foolish pride.
It's ringing.
It's ringing. Okay.
Yeah.
But I don't want it to show. I miss you so, but I don't
Hello?
Hello? How you doing now?
Who am I on to?
Hello? Ifoma? I have been calling you and you're not picking your calls.
Listen, Acharugo. Your plan failed and I'm glad it did. So please, I beg you with whatever you hold dear, just leave me alone. Let me put my life together, please.
Ifoma, hold on. Ifoma, Hello? Hello? She hung the phone on me.
Mama, forget this woman. Forget her. That woman a Jew now. You're not correct woman. You're not correct mama. Come on. You're not supposed to be seen with such people. Forget her.
She knows too much. And she could be a threat.
Isn't he?
Wait, I know this guy. His name is Noni.
Well, yes, his name is Noni, and I told you that already, didn't I?
I didn't know he's one you're talking about.
Now you know.
I know this guy very well. I know one sugar man that is carrying him. Her name is Achalugo.
Sugar mommy?
Yes.
How? My guy is no gigolo. Please.
Are you sure about what you're saying?
Very sure.
I know this guy is into sugar mommy. Have you bothered to ask him what he does for a living?
Please. I am no novice. My guy is a G guy. Yes, normal bottom way, you know. He hasn't picked much though. He's still picking small. But I'm hopeful that one day he will make it, pick the mega hits.
Suzanne. No problem, no. But I want you to do one thing for me.
Oh.
Suzanne.
What?
Next time you see this guy, ask him who is Achalugo.
Achalugo?
Yes.
Okay, Miriam. I heard you right. But I'm sure I know my guy very well. And he's not into such things. I even know his friend JJ. Both of them are always on the system together discussing stuff,
There's
nothing like that. My guy is nothing of such you're attributing him to be.
Okay.
Please, he's cute, is he not?
Babe, you didn't alert my phone before coming.
Must I call you whenever I want to come here? Aren't you my boyfriend?
Hey. What's wrong?
Nothing.
Hey, I know that you're lying to me. What is the problem?
Okay, Nani. Are you a gigolo some sort of? Like, are you into sugar mummies?
What kind of stupid question is that?
Who is Achalugo?
Who is Achalugo?
I questioned you, answering with a question.
Yes, I want to know the Achalugo you're talking about.
How many Achalugos do you have in your life?
Not even one Achalugo that I know of. Not even one.
Nani? Are you sure you're saying the truth?
What were all these questions for crying out loud? What kind of game are you playing this hot afternoon?
It's okay. You don't have to raise your voice. I'm sorry.
No.
Let's just let it slide.
No, I want to know where all these questions are coming from.
Nani, please, let it slide.
babe, I'm sorry about the outburst today. I shouldn't have believed my friend Miriam. She sounded so convincing that she knows you and that you are into sugar mummies.
Why didn't you ask her where she saw me with the sugar mommy outside?
Well, she didn't say.
You see? I don't even blame her. I blame you for all this.
Why?
Yes. Because you should have protected your relationship from your friends. You know how jealous girls can be. More especially you're dating a very cute guy. You know, she can do everything within her powers to destroy your relationship. Don't you know that?
Come to think of it, I think you're right.
Oh.
I'm sorry I listened to her. I shouldn't have even told her about you in the first place. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love, please.
It's okay. But be careful next time.
I will.
I love you. I love you too. Look how beautiful you are tonight. Babe. Baby? It's almost 9 p.m.
I know. My time is correct. Yeah.
Are you... will you...
What?
Are you going home tonight?
No. I'm passing the night. Do you have a problem with that?
No. Oh. Just that you didn't tell me you're passing the night here.
Oh.
Yeah.
I never realized that I had to take permission before sleeping at my boyfriend's house.
No. Come on. You're taking this too far. Come on.
Then deal with it. I'm passing the night.
He's busy in my calls. I've been trying to call Noni and he's busy in my calls. I hope it's not what I am thinking. Because I'm going to deal with him.
Who was that?
Who?
Your caller.
Oh, it's just a number. He's one guy that we hacked his account. So that's why I didn't pick the call. The guy has been disturbing my life for God knows when. It's not as if he even have good money in his account. 30K. And he would not let me be.
You know, babe, you should have a little conscience in this business. Seriously. That 30K could be his last hope.
Are you don't seeing this?
I'm feeling for the poor guy.
Forget that guy. Forget that guy.
What? Switched off? Noni, I know you are up to something. I will find out.
What am I going to tell Mama that made me too busy I'll call and off my phone afterwards? Chai. I must figure out what to tell her, and I must also be careful when I meet her since people are already seeing us together. I love Susan. I love her with all my heart, and I intend to spend the rest of my life with her. I don't want anything to hurt this relationship. Not even my escapade with Achurugo.
Oh boy. Fear woman. Fear woman. I not gonna know as a friend continue no say me I dey knock Mama. Oh boy, the thing, I say they fear as I dey here so. My body see the shake.
Now you still they do love now. You see me they do love. I resemble picture of love. Okay, I know they do love like this. So now money I dey find. You understand? You get the guy money where you go hit like this. See all these chingom girls. Now then go to run after you guy. Now money I dey find. Konji hold them like this now. One day I go carry 1,000 enter Bracao. Few minutes. One day I don't change engine or you know.
Guy, forget that thing.
Yeah.
That because you never jam love, now make you still talk this, you know. If you jam person where you love, guy, you go change all this your lines. I dey tell you. Guy, you never see the power of love. I forget.
Mr. Lover boy. Now when they love, they come food for your mouth. Waiting you and Mama go gone the good now.
Nah, I mean the talk down. Guy, forget that thing. This early morning I go discharge, wake up my baby, I discharge her fast. Now I rush go Mama house, now go fix up my focus. See this man. I forget that thing.
Okay, what do you tell Mama?
You ask me to tell Mama. Small thing now. I can't say me I enter Keke last night as I dey go house. I reach house, come begin to find my phone. I don't know, say I don't forget her for Keke. I come inside another number to call my line. Now Keke my tell me say my phone dey with her. And where in they very far from where I dey. So as the matter be, so I no go fit go there that night, go pick my phone. I ain't got the reason me say get one Acharugo where they call him last night. So he come busy my call often. That's why I can't take rush. Go this morning. I go pick my phone before I enter a place. I see this man.
Oh boy, you sabi lie like this?
Oh, that's I be lie like this.
Oh boy, wisdom.
I got to save my
wisdom no go give you. I don't think you lie like this. Okay.
Guy, you know what finish like that too. Mama come dey reason me say man, she go buy me 4 legs. See, I'm not supposed to jump from one keke to the other. Say for the level me and Adi, I'm supposed to keep that standard. You understand? So she won't buy me car.
Oh boy,
forget.
4 legs.
She won't buy me brand new car.
Abob, you don't hammer for this business.
I dey tell you now, you know they believe me.
Abob, you see, you go find one mama. I won't join this business.
Oh, you want?
Okay, find one mama give me. I won't join this business. Okay, one thing must. If I go die on top of the woman, that one thing must give me. This one why then and I like this one. Find one woman give me that. Make I judge you do what I make you do.
I don't want you to know
suddenly become a ghost of myself. I can't feel myself anymore. When the school is over and my children returns home, what will I tell them? How will I explain to them that their mother wanted me dead by all means? How will I explain to them that I ruined my once peaceful and beautiful marriage by myself? How do I tell them that it was my promiscuous living that led my wife into attempting to take my life? How?
What's the meaning of this one now? Why would you lock the door when I'm still outside?
Where are you coming from?
I was with my friend Okoli.
And you didn't bother to check the time? Amos, do you know what time it is? You don't know the right time to leave your friends and come back home to your family.
Why are you shouting now? I just told you I was with my friend Okoli.
And I am making it clear that you stayed out too late. You ought to have been home since.
Well, you don't talk to me like that. I'm the man of this house. Talk to me with some respect.
Okay, man of the house. Enlighten me why you think it is right for you to stay out till this time. I'm waiting.
Well, I don't owe you any apology. I paid your bride price. For that reason, you have to accord me some respect.